cheese platter. Mamaya punta kami sa bahay nila tatay. Ulan ngayon. Buti yung nag-birthday si Kaden, hindi maulan. Ngayon, ang ulan, oh. Swerte yung birthday ni Kaden, hindi nag-ulan. Kahapon. Nakisama yung panahon kahapon. Nilagyan ko ng cling wrap. Dito na lang siguro.
Tatay's birthday.
Yan, yung ilalagay ko.
Wow. Hinuwagan din siya.
9 cheese platter. Eh, magpunta ikaw kay tatay. Kaya din, mag-sing ka ng happy birthday, dear tata. Mag-jacket ako. Ang lamig sa labas eh. Bibi, let's go! Dali na, magsapatos na ikaw, Bibi. Mamaya ako nalinisin tong ano, yung aming kusina. Bibi, dali na, magsapatos ka na, Bibi. Kaya dan, let's go. Let's go to tatay. Ready na daw si Kaden.
You know how to...
Wow, may mo tayo. Mart na yung tatay namin. Itikaw dyan ng pizza, Bibi. Itikaw pizza.
Nandito yung bulitin, kasa, carpentry.
You want nuggets?
Nani?
There you go. Okay ka na tayo.
Barbecue from Jake.
Di ba? Kasi dito.
Wait, lumapit na eh. Wala naman akong pan.
Yan, normal na lang yun. Sarap na, bago yan, hindi yan lang. Try it.
I'm just wondering if it's okay. Like,
You want too big?
With my turn.
There.
Did it swell up? Couple of fish. Oh, this one.
yeah, I'm gonna send
Right
you
side.
pictures now, okay?
Nothing wrong with cobbler fish.
But you're not sure if it's the cobbler fish though.
Kailan? Kailan? It's a little swallowed. Yeah?
Ito,
Parang hindi ko alam the fish in.
Gutom.
ang galing ko kasa carpentry sa simbahan. oh.
Can you have nuggets first?
This one? Guta.
Maliwanag ba?
Hi.
Where's Tarsiro? Tarsiro? Kaylin, where's your cake ko?
Next version, no?
No, no!
No, no.
Oh, yan o. Kakanta pa naman si Kaylin, oh.
Ganda ng cake ni tatay, oh.
Saan? Meron pa nakadila eh. Saan?
Dito na lang. Hindi, gabi.
Tay, 6 years old? Tay, 6 years old.
Sakto gold.
Ito, sparkle.
Oh, sarap ka.
Yan, oh, ganyan lang.
Tay, 6 years old ba, Tay?
Wow, ganda ng, ang ganda ang cake ni tatay, oh.
Pa, picture ka na pa.
May alak
For
pa.
the
Pa, tayo ka pa.
Na, ready na kayo dyan.
Hooray!
Birthday tatay, oh.
Hooray!
Tay, blow ka na candle mo.
Yan na eh.
Tay, mag-blow ka na, tay. Ay, si Jerol. Punta mo si Jerol. Oo, pumunta si Jerol, eh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hip hip.
Again.
Oh, blow na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tatay. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Oh, blow na candle.
Katie, blow na candle.
Hindi pantay ah.
Ito, magaluwi pa yung 60 ah. Parang kaya na 60. Sige, bigyan. Happy birthday, Kaden. Happy birthday, Kaden. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kaden. Hip hip. Hip hip. Sige, gusto nyo.
Yan, lumaki ng mata ko nun.
Oh, may alak pa yan.
Ano pa yan? May yan tayo. Kasama yan. Kasama yan sa order. Yung anak eh.
Nagutom ako.
Sama-sama tayo. Sabi ka na.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence, happiness overflows. Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step.
Dinosaur like
Laki ng ulo ng tatay.
Kita yan.
Mga ano, oh.
Bawa somi.
Oh, show me, show.
Di ba nakita mo na?
Oh, I'm gonna show you the fish.
Don't touch that sa dinosaur.
How are you?
Fish daw.
Yeah.
Hindi ba siya eh?
Te, ganun mo kay Santino, Teo. Hawakan niya pa yan, eh.
Sel. Tingnan sa si Celestine.
Teo! 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 Oh, Dino fish! Dino fish!
Dino fish.
Dino fish! I'm scared! Dino fish! Dino fish! Te!
Yan, Samson eh.
Oh, you wanna see Dino fish?
Wala. Sel, paano nakakuha ng tissue to?
Ngayon lang ako nakakita yan.
Te, baliktad niya!
Uy, baliktad, oh.
Nagchichismisan sila. Dalayan to. Dalayan
Kamay mo nasa labas.
Ano pangalan?
Yung, sumabit ako sa tricycle sa tricycle.
Tintin! Naging cake ka na? Bebe Jeron! Bebe Jeron! Uy! Sexy! Bebe Jeron! Hi! Look, look, Tilintin! 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 Look! Can you see yourself? Saya biglang tap. Nakita niya, nakita. Ay, ikaw. Hi, hi. Hi. Say hi. Happy birthday. Sabi mo, dali. Dali na. Happy birthday, dear tatay. Dali, happy. No, dali. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tatay.
Sabi ko sa'yo, wala na eh. Wala na nga.
Paraan dalawa. Yeah.
What do you like?
Cheap. That one.
And I could swear love is just a game that children play. And all of them a game that children play. So tell me what you say, till I met you. I never knew what love was till
Oh, I wish I was a doctor who could heal your broken heart, analyze each bruise and hear your story from the start, and stitch up every tiny tear with a ribbon and a bow. Prescribe you some new medicine that makes you feel less alone. No, I am not a doctor, just an ordinary girl, but I know the way your chest aches, the way your head swirls when abandoned, beat and broken down by the one who knew you best. I was sleeping when he cut my veins to fuel a new life out west. No, I am not a doctor, but I've got some extra time. I've got some drugs I keep in stock called vodka and red wine.
Nakaway na kami. Hi! Hello! Hello, baby kuy! Nakaway lang namin. Tapos, ang lakas ng ulan. Hi! Hello! Nag-uwi ako ng cake, oh. Hi! Wow! Nagbigay sa kanya ng regalo, oh. Uli. Wow! May laruan uli ang baby. Wow! What color?
I'm red.
Red. Say thank you.
Happy.
Ganda naman yan. Malaglag ikaw. Malaglag ang baby ni Momot. Baby ni Momot. How old are you now?
Oh.
Maglinis tayo, baby. Dali na, tulungan mo ako maglinis. Tulungan mo ako maglinis?
Yeah. That is Martin.
King Kong.
That's a bunny. Martin. Mommy.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Linisin ko tong sala namin, oh.
Yeah.
Ang laruan ni Kaden, oh.
On.
Tapos yung mga regalo sa kanya ng damit. Tanggalin ko dyan. What is it?
Another teen toy.
Another King Kong.
Yeah. Another teen toy.
Yeah.
Another teen toy.
Mm-hmm.
Another teen toy.
Yeah.
Another teen toy.
Yes, nice bit.
Toy.
Mm-hmm. Dali na. Tulungan mo ako, Bibe. Mm-hmm. Laban natin to, Bibe, no? Laban ko tong mga damit niya. Kasya na to sa kanya. King Kong? Yeah, Tito Gab gave that to you. Yeah. Yeah, and Tita Charmel gave that to you. No, Tita Charmel. Oh, no, Tita Charmel. Sabi niya, yung nagbigay daw ng Godzilla niya, si Tita Kayla niya. Si Tita Charmel nagbigay sa'yo niyan. Tapos si Tito Gab and Tita Kayla yung nagbigay sa'yo ng monkey. Pero kasi yung nagdala kasi niyan kahapon, si Gab. Tapos si Kayla, kaya kala niya sila yung nagbigay. Yeah, Tita Charmel. No. Tita Charmel gave that to you. Yeah, she bought that for you. Pero oh yeah, Tita Charmel. Opo, Tita Charmel, nagbigay sa'yo niyan. Wala lang siya kasi nag-work siya eh. Opo, nag-work siya, kaya hindi niya nabigay yan. Kaya hindi, kahapon, nag-work. Ay, sige. Hindi, kahapon, nag-work si Tita Charmel eh, kaya hindi siya nakabigay niyan sa'yo. Ang naalala niya kasi kahapon, si Tita Kayla niya ata naghawak niyan si Tito Gab niya. Kaya akala niya, yun, hindi si Charmel lang nagbigay. Si Tita Kayla daw. Maluluhan nito siya ah. Maluluhanin ang bata ah. Hulo. Laki-laki ng regalo niya, oh. Hindi niya pinakawalan tong King Kong. Wow! That's a big King Kong. Niya daw yung camera sa kanya. Okay. There you go. Wow! Diyan ka lang, baby. Maglinis na ako sa
Yo, come out with any news in the cow. Choose